Hey y'all, you like old tractors? Hey, I got a little something for you today. I'm here with our new apprentice Luke. Say hi, Luke. And if you can't hear what's going on, well, I guess the Magneto for the old L model worked after all. So here you go, our 1937 John Deere L. It's kind of loud. So there you go. We're gonna tune the carburetor a little bit. Still got some fine tuning before it actually hand crank. Yes, it is a hand crank L, not a LA, which is electric start. And I've also found out that the electric start and the frame tubes on an L they're hollow, on an LA they're solid. I had a couple of folks chime in on the last video and tell me the difference. Look, this is a 1937. I'm not very familiar with it at all, but I can tell you I can get them running. Anyway, here's your 1937L John Deere. Thanks for the follows, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe. Check out my YouTube channel at Otis Did It Again. I'm on most major platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I'll walk you around one more quick time. Again, 1937L. We don't know how long it had been sitting. I've been at this store for 3 years, and it had been pushed back in the weeds before I got here. My service manager said he's been here 6 years, and he's never seen it run. So we know at least 6 years it's been sitting up. So thank y'all. Have a great day. And we'll make sure to keep bringing you old tractors.